Welcome to Premier Academy's LMR classes. Let us now go to a concept in investment accounts. By now, you may be knowing the very idea of having this last minute revision classes. This is to facilitate the students in terms of conceptual support by giving small examples and things of that nature. To start with, let us go to this concept of pre-acquisition dividend in the case of shares. First fundamental, what is this pre-acquisition dividend? Even in your personal life, when we buy the shares of another company, what happens is, if we buy, let us say on 1st April 2021, and the company declare dividend for the year 2020-21, ideally we can earn income only from the year 2021-22 because we are purchasing the shares on 1st April 2021. But suppose if we get the dividend for last year, I mean 2020-21, that dividend is pre-acquisition dividend in the hands of the investor. It is as good as your cashback offer which you get for your latest mobile. Suppose you buy a mobile phone for about 30,000 rupees and the cashback offer, through that you are getting some 3,000 rupees back. Then I am meeting you and asking you what is your net cost of mobile. You will say 30,000 I paid, they gave me 3,000. So net cost of investment is 27,000. That is how you will say. You will not say I bought a mobile of 30,000 that earned me an income of 3,000. Like that you will not say. This is our first concept. It will help you in accounts also, advanced accounts, consolidation chapter also, pre-acquisition dividend. In accounts, investment accounts chapter, this pre-acquisition dividend knowledge will help us. So I gave you the background. So the pre-acquisition dividend is a capital receipt. As I said, the net cost of mobile in the example I said is 27,000. Same treatment you are giving for investment in shares. When we talk about investment in shares, we are not talking about issuer. Suppose I am X Limited. I hold the shares of a company called Bennett Limited. We talk about X Limited books, the investor, because investment in their books only it is investment. With this background,